Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to look at 12 different driveway ideas to improve your curb appeal. First up, if you do a paver driveway, you could do one of these. These are called paver medallions. They look great when you're doing a nice big paver driveway. Really recommend them. All right, moving on, we're going to go back and forth between concrete and pavers. This is a cool concrete one. There's two things I want to point out. One, it's actually a concrete color called palomino. And two, we did a really cool 4-foot diamond control joints on them to really add some pizzazz. Let's look at a couple paver ones. So the great thing about paver driveways is you can mix all kinds of cool colors. You just have to make sure you put in that 6 to 8 inches of heavy compacted road base to give it lots of firm ability. Another way you can do it is mix the two. Here's one we did with concrete with a paver expansion, and then we did a cool paver diamond in the middle. So that turned out great. But again, getting back to the pavers, I love doing paver driveways because you get this wide range of colors. There's just so many different cool colors. I love doing pavers. And then you do kind of a corresponding walkway to the front in the same pavers, tie it all together. That just adds so much curb appeal. It just looks great. So going back to this concrete one that you saw earlier, what's great about this concrete one, again, it's the color palomino, so it has a little bit of tan to it that really gives it some nice pizzazz, but also it ties into the front walkway going to the front door and just looks great. And so we did a nice soft curve to kind of soften the house up and emphasize that curve with those really cool lights as well to give it kind of a modern pizzazz. Great for bumping up the curb appeal. This one, same color, and they loved the color so much they actually went and did the door to give it a really cool tan look, ochre, really kind of add pizzazz. Again, great way to do curb appeal. And again, so you can do pavers, you can do concrete. If you're going to do concrete, one thing I do recommend is you do a top cast finish. And so what a top cast finish is it's a little part of the pouring process when they spray a finishing solution on it. And the great thing about it is it adds a little grit to it. So it really adds some slip resistance. So if you have a concrete driveway that is going down a little slope and you're worried about it being slippery in the rain, definitely do a top cast finish, which is what you see here with these. Well, that's about all the time we have. I want to thank Unique Landscaping. They did a great job on these driveways. Here's their contact information. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.